Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of the Dad of All Trades channel. Today we're going to be working on the Troy-Bilt Pony 7-speed, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be changing the fuel filter. Shouldn't be too difficult, should be a quick little video, so y'all stay tuned and we'll get it going. Alright guys, there's a few things we're going to need for this. First we're going to need some pliers so we can undo these clips right here. Then I've got some of these little clamps so we can pinch off this hose. Anything that you can use to pinch off the hose that's not going to cut that hose, because that's where the fuel comes in, should work fine. We don't want all the gas in the tank draining out. And then some paper towels, because there's going to be a little bit of spillage. I know in this uncertain times we're in right now, that's kind of like gold, but it'll be alright. I've had those for a while. And then of course you need your new fuel filter. So looking at this fuel filter, it doesn't actually have a direction that I can find on the packaging or anything. But looking at here, the big end's on this side, so we're going to try to put it back on the same way that it came off. First thing we're going to do, try and clamp off this hose here. These aren't the strongest clamps, but I got two of them, so I think we should be alright. The dogs are barking at squirrels. I think we'll be all right there. Take our pliers. All you gotta do is squeeze those little clips down. Just back them up. You don't have to mash them all the way. Just squeeze them and start wiggling. They'll move. Now, there we go. Twist a little bit, get it broken loose. Alright guys, so I had to add another tool to our repertoire today, flathead screwdriver, in order to pry back in here to get this thing off. Because getting it off the first time is very difficult. I also just figured out that I have to move my clamps, because I failed the first time to get this thing off, and then regrouped, and now here we are. So I had to double up my clamps to get more clamping pressure in one spot. And now we have a flathead screwdriver to try and get this thing pried open. So you'll get in here and twist on it and get it started. And it pops right off. Just kind of prop it up a little bit, because there will be a little bit of fuel in the line. And this side is the same way. Just try not to bust that hose. There we go. Got that off. Oh, we got a paper towel on the ground. We'll get a little gas on you. Got some gloves, be fine too. See, it's drying out my hands. They're already dry anyway. Anyways, the part's pretty simple. Like I said, this one came out this way, fat end back, so I'm just going to replace it the same way. There and there, brand new fuel filter. Now we'll take our pliers, squeeze it back down, back up. Same with this side. There we go. Now we should be able to pull the clamps off. Brand new fuel filter. So alright guys, thanks for watching. That's all there is for this one today. If you liked it guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, you know the routine, and I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.